Now, today we are talking on hair transplant training programs. There should be few things considered before going for search of hair restoration training programs. That is very, very important to search for the experts, right-sided experts, who they have grip on knowledge, surgical skills in both procedures, both harvesting procedures. In this era of FUE explosions, quackery technicians and everything is involved in the hair restoration surgery only because of this FUE explosions. You need to learn about both procedures of follicular unit harvesting, a strip surgery and FUE procedure. That's why I recommend always to get trained from top-notch hair restoration surgeons who they have skills, surgical skills in both procedures. Follicular unit transplant, it is called linear strip harvesting, and FUE follicular unit excision. They will give you the proper knowledge and surgical skills in hair transplant surgery, because you need to manage big bald areas from little bald areas to big bald areas. You need to manage the patients coming to your office with medical treatment of hair loss, for surgical treatment of hair loss. This is we are actually dealing with 95% of the hair loss is androgenetic alopecia. So we are dealing with androgenetic alopecia. It starts in early 20s. Maybe now I'm clinical doctor. I receive so many patients, young boys, less than 20, with hair fall, with extensive hair fall. You may have been receiving the same thing in your offices throughout the world. So you need to keep in mind, we need to manage hair loss either with medical treatment or surgical treatment from 20 to 80. 60 years management. So we need to know both procedures of harvesting, broad spectrum of medical knowledge about hair loss, and it should be kept in mind. It should be evidence-based. Nobody can guide you on the things which are not related with the evidence-based studies. And if you are not aware of the need of finasteride and minoxidil in medical treatment of hair loss, you are missing 90% of the treatment. So, to know these things, to know the importance of medical and surgical treatment and surgical skills in hair transplant surgery, you need to go to the experts who they are right-sided, who they know both harvesting procedures very well, they have surgical grip, they have grip on the knowledge, they have grip on the right-sided evidence-based knowledge. That would be considered a true expert for you, because this will make a way of thinking in your mind for the patients coming in your office for hair restoration surgery treatments, and that is included medical treatment and surgical treatment. It is very important to choose mentor for yourself, because mentors is meant to make your mind set for future life. You will follow the same instructions who has been given by the mentor to whom you are going for training. The mentor selection is more important than any training program. So This is very, very important to choose best supervisors, mentors in any training, but in training of hair transplant surgery, this is very, very important. Thank you very much.